Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post comments on IMVU. So let's get started. Begin by launching your IMVU application. Make sure you are logged into your IMVU account. Now tap on the feed icon which is right next to home icon at the bottom of your screen. Now select the post that you'd like to post a comment. Tap on the comment icon which is between like icon and share icon. Tap on the comment bar at the bottom of your screen. Now enter the comment. And then tap on the send button. And this is how you can post a comment on IMVU. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.